The Equal Guide, Unit 2, Activity 2, Moment 2. 1. What is the Equal Guide? The Equal Guide shows how much of what we eat overall should come from each food group to achieve a healthy, balanced diet. It is a healthy eating guideline made by the British government. It shows the proportions in which different groups of foods are needed in order to have a well-balanced and healthy diet. Two, who is the Equal Guide intended for? The Equal Guide is made to represent a healthy diet for the general British population. It applies to most people regardless of weight, dietary restrictions, dietary preference, or ethnic origin. It does not apply to children under 2 years of age, nor to people with special dietary needs or medical conditions. 3. What are the groups the Equal Guide is divided in? The Equal Guide has 5 different food groups: potatoes, bread, rice, pasta, and other starchy carbohydrates, oils and spreads, dairy and dairy alternatives, beans, pulses, fish, eggs, meat, and other proteins, fruit and vegetables. Four, when it use the Equal Guide? This guide can be used to help people make healthy choices when deciding what to eat, what to cook, what foods to buy, and what to eat in a restaurant. 5. What are the specific recommendations for each group? Fruit and vegetables. Eat at least 5 portions of a variety of fruit and vegetables every day. Potatoes, bread, rice, pasta, and other starchy carbohydrates. Include them as a base for the meals. Eat whole grain versions when possible. Dairy and dairy alternatives. You can choose some dairy or dairy alternatives, always choosing options with less fat and less sugar. Beans, pulses, fish, eggs, meat, and other proteins. Eat some legumes, animal foods, and other proteins. Aim for 2 servings of fish per week, one of which should be oily. Oils and spreads. Eat in a small amount. Choose unsaturated fat. Foods and drinks high in fat, salt, or sugar. If you can, don't choose them, or consume them less often and in a small amount. 6. What about daily hydration? It is advised that adults should drink 6 to 8 glasses of fluid every day. This will help the functionality of your body by giving it exactly what it needs. The British Nutrition Foundation advised that water is the only fluid which they recommend drinking plenty of. 7. What about food labeling? Food labeling allows for a better healthy selection. It helps us choose foods with less fat, sugar, and salt. Labels are color-coded. There are 3 colors: red for the less healthy products, high in sugar, high in salt, or high in saturated fat, amber for the medium, and green for the healthy. Energy given in both kilocalories and kilojoules. Red light means high, It's fine to have occasionally, but not too often. Green light means low, so there are more green lights. The healthy a product is. Amber light means medium, so it's an okay choice most of the time. Percent of your reference intake for serving, previously now as guideline daily amount. Eight. How many calories per day a person over 11 years old needs? The males over 11 years old need 2,500 kilocalories or 10,460 kilojoules. And the females over 11 years old need 2,000 kilocalories or 8,368 kilojoules. Reference. Thank you.